Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable Brave Sync in 2026. First, open the Brave browser. Then click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Brave Sync. On the sync page, click Start a new sync chain. Next, choose whether you want to connect another computer or a phone or tablet. If you're connecting a mobile device, open Brave on your phone and scan the QR code displayed on your computer. If you're connecting another computer, choose the option to enter the sync chain code and type the code shown on your first device. Once the devices are connected, make sure the sync options you want, such as bookmarks, passwords, history, open tabs, and settings, are enabled. Wait a few moments for the synchronization to complete, then open Brave on your other device to confirm that your data has been synced successfully. That's it. Brave Sync is now enabled, and your browsing data will stay synchronized across your connected devices. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to help. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.